past simple tense. Let's start with the usage. So we use this tense when we talk about actions that happen in the past. For example, we played football yesterday. Now let's talk about the form. Remember, we put d or ed or ied at the end of the verb. Let's start with ed. So we put ed with most of the verbs. For example, visit, visited, arrive, arrived, work, worked, watch, watched, wash, washed. Okay, what about d? We put d with the verbs that end with e. For example, like, liked, love, loved, live, lived. Okay, what about IED? Let's start. We put IED at the end of the verb when the verb ends with Y. But remember, not all the verbs that end with Y, we remove Y and put IED. For example, play, play. Can we remove Y and put IED? Why not? So here in the verb play, we cannot remove Y and put IED. Why not? Because Y here in this verb followed by vowel letter, it will be played. So we put ed at the end of the verb. About this verb, cry. Can we remove a Y here? Yes, you can. Are here not from the vowel letters, so we can move Y and put IED. So cry, cried. Let's move to another part. What about the key words of this sentence? We have yesterday, last night, last week, last month, and so on. Of course, we have ago. For example, we visited our grandmother last week. I studied my lessons last night. So the form will be in the past simple tense. In the positive form will be subject, verb in the past simple tense, and the object. For example, I studied my lessons last night. What about the negative form? So the negative form, we put didn't after the subject and before the verb. So the form will be subject, didn't, verb in the infinitive form, and the object. For example, look at this sentence. I visited my grandmother last night. I will make this sentence in the negative form. Let's start. I didn't visit my grandmother last night. So here I removed an ed and put the verb in the infinitive form. We use didn't in the sentence, the verb will be in the infinitive form. But what about how to make a question in the past simple tense? We use did. So did, subject, verb in infinitive form. For example, did you visit your grandmother last night? The answer will be here with yes or no. Yes I did or no I didn't. الدرس بتاعنا النهارده الخاص بجرامر يونت 1 للمنهج الخاص بأولى إعدادي. Thanks for watching and see you soon.